Hello, I have few pink plants to share. I think they are nice touch to the plant collection. This one is pink spot syngonium, a rare one, not a pricier one, but it's not easily available and I have a lot of these. Now, depending on the weather and temperature, it will give leaves of green to pinkish green to very pink leaves with spots, and this is how it looks from the back. It's a very nice, easy to care plant, and it loves humidity, it loves wet soil, and I just love it. The next one is coleus plant. I don't know its full name, but I love its pink veins and dark leaves, and it's again a easy to care plant but doesn't do well in very high temperature of 48 degrees, so you have to keep it indoors where temperature is low, and grows very fast and looks very bushy. So I think it's a must have if you love these striking vein kind of plants, and it's actually my family plant, belongs to my mother, from which I got the cuttings. Next is one of my plant bowls, and here there are two plants, Anacampsaros rufescens, which are growing like crazy. Like, I don't even give it fertilizer, but okay. So the center one is Gymnocalacia mihanovichii pink variegated. Again, I don't have its correct ID, like the full name, because it's a very old Gymnocalacium cactus. Then I have this shrub which people use on their hedge, and oh my god, it's such a striking plant. So it gives very different kind of pink flowers, and it becomes very bushy. So this one is a variegated string of hearts pink, and I have just repotted it. Do not give it water a lot, it will thrive. Again, not for very high temperatures of 45 to 50 degrees Celsius, but otherwise it's a very easy going with a pinkish succulent. Then next one is caladium spring fling, which one gives pink leaves. It becomes talk of the town. Everyone asks for this plant, and it looks like it has come from a Disney movie. Like, look at the pink. Also, it gives green leaves depending on temperature, the growth phase. It has risen from dormancy, and spring is ending, and it's just thriving in just cocoa peat with tap water. Loves humidity. If you live in a coastal areas, the leaf size will become thrice of how it is looking currently. The last one I have Syngonium confetti. Oh my god, how anyone can not love this plant. I'm trying to make it very big because it's very small, and I have coupled it with other syngoniums like pink spot and elbow, but again the pink spots look so cute, and sometimes I feel like eating this plant. But yeah, these were all the plants, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will meet you with another video next time.